The proximity of Mercury with the Sun is quite remarkable. Mercury remains very close to the Sun in the sky and never moves away more than 28 degrees. It is said if Mercury is ever apart more than 28 degrees from the Sun, then it may vanish forever. Mercury remains visible in the morning just before sunrise, and sometime it can be observed in the sky soon after sunset. Mythologically, Mercury is very interesting planet and also known as the messenger of God. Babylonian considered Mercury as the god of wisdom and divine messenger. In Roman mythology, Mercury is known as a wing-footed messenger of God. Egyptian mythology considered him as a swift messenger of God and known him as the morning star who rises in the eastern horizon before the sunrise. Mercury is a great communicator and has the knack of using his intellect to the optimum by applying all kind of logic and reasoning. All sort of arguments pro or against are generated out of him. A good Mercurian has the ability to make the wrong things right and vice versa. Never-ending debates can be seen happening all the time and in all places, and no debate has ever produced satisfactory results. All kind of wit, humor, joke, satire can be attributed to Mercury. The geometrical symbol of Mercury can be divided into three parts. In the center is a circle, and on this circle are two spectacular antennas coming from different direction. Below the circle is a perfect cross. The J-leaf provide ample food for thought and can be interpreted in many ways. The circle is attached with two equal antennas on the top. It is believed right from the time immemorial that all ideas, plans, schemes, thought and imagination are directly connected with the sky. If one has to catch the waves, vibration or electromagnetic current from space, perfect receiver is the antenna. Mercury, the planet of logic and reasoning, has taken the burden of carrying out all communication that is happening in the universe. Two antennas which are marvelously synchronized in their size and shape represents two different patterns of logic and reasoning, the positive and negative. The J-leaf of Mercury depicts this phenomena through these two different antennas. Another important fact of Mercury's J-leaf is the cross which is attached just below the circle, right in its center. The cross has a spiritual meaning. The importance of cross has been realized by mankind right from the beginning, and it is being used by many religions and civilization with minor but subtle differences in size and shape. There are two different universally binding factors in mankind, one which belongs to sounds and other which belongs to symbols. The sounds of Om and the cross are universally recognized and accepted. The greatest example is the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ and the cross are so interwoven that by just looking at the cross, one feels peace within and a sense of deeply embedded spirituality. The cross represents humanity, compassion, kindness, completeness, and if one delves deeper, then also salvation. In temples as well as mosques, the same symbol is used but with a slight difference. The attachment of the cross below the circle provides great value to the J-leaf of Mercury since cross has multifaceted significance. If a person uses his intellect in the right direction, then it leads to personal as well as universal liberty. Join us at Nakshatra Meditation to know the inner beauty and the relevance of the planet and nakshatras in our life.